Alrighty, Harrison, here's your 347 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of RC and seat heads on it. It's got some grind hydraulic roller. It's got the Edelbrock air gap, Brawler carburetor, the Aviaid Oil Pan from Aviaid, nice unit. We'll go in there and make a run and see how she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3,700, 410 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 450, peak horsepower 503, it's rated at 500, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple other things. See if your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got the engine build specs, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug it in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number and some other specifications. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got this QR code. That will take you some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this stuff. It'll help you in installation. Have a great day.